What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie, and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. How many times can I say channel? Alright, today's video, I am going to be unbagging my Ipsy Plus for the month of December. This is always the last subscription to come every month, but it says hooray. I don't know, not in love with the bag. You would think they would do like a Christmas theme or something, but I don't even know what that is. All right, so anyways, yeah, let's jump right in. The first thing is in a dented box, lovely. Okay, it is this Kat Berkey Essential Radiance Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. Okay, so I love vitamin C moisturizers, but I have so many moisturizers, it's not even funny. Oh, I think I have an eye cream from this brand. So it's 1.7 ounces. So it says, the cult favorite Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream is specifically developed to meet the needs of lackluster complexion and to protect the skin from environmental toxins. At the heart of the formula is a 15% Stay C, a stable form of vitamin C, powered by the anti-aging powerhouse reishi mushroom for greater absorption. Okay. Alright, it looks like a moisturizer. It feels like one too. What do you know? Alright, it's nice. I just have so many and some that I'm just really in love with, so I don't know, I'll probably keep this for giveaway. Alright, next is also in a dented box. Thank you, USPS. This is the Tarte Shadow and Liner Quick Stick Waterproof Shadow and Liner. And this is in rose gold, luster, and brown. Ooh, I like the rose gold luster part. So it says 3-in-1 primer, shadow, and liner. Perfect for no makeup days and glam nights. Waterproof. Okay. Here's what it looks like. Ooh, so this is the rose gold like shadow stick. It's really pretty. Can you see it? Okay. And then we have an eyeliner, and I love brown eyeliners. Oh wow, that's really creamy and so super dark brown too. Like, oh, that's actually really cool. I'm excited about that. All right. Next, we have this Nelson J. Beverly Hills 1-minute hair Botox. Okay, it says, hold on, 10 great benefits. Stops hair breakage, creates silkiness, enhances natural body, prevents split ends, adds shine, restores dry, damaged hair, smooths and controls frizz, seals and protects hair color, flat iron and thermal protector, and detangles. Okay, apply 1-minute hair Botox treatment on cleaned hair starting from the hair ends and work the way up. Brush Botox treatment through every strand. Leave on for 1 minute and style as usual. Okay. Huh. I've never heard of this brand, but it sounds like something that I would like to use. All right. What do we have next? Ooh, this is Pink Lips Soft Matte Primer. It says, the velvety matte texture glides effortlessly over the skin, smoothing over imperfections for a poreless effect. Okay. Huh. Pretty packaging. Ooh, so it's kind of like a Tatcha. Oh my gosh, why can't I think of it? Or like an e.l.f. putty primer. Oh my god, why can't I think of the Tatcha one? Yeah, that's exactly what it's like. Okay, but I love both those primers, so okay. It's very smooth. I'm excited about that too. Alright, Ipsy, alright. The bag was ugly, but hey, all that matters is what's inside. Okay, and last is the Ciate London Glow 2 Highlighter. And please let this not be too dark for me, because I have a shade name, Starburst. Alright, let's see what this looks like. Ooh, that's pretty, and it's really cute because it has stars actually pressed into it. Okay. Ooh, it's like a light gold. That's really pretty. I think we're gonna have to put some on. That's so pretty. Ooh, damn. I was not expecting that from a Ciate highlighter, because I think I've gotten one before and I wasn't too impressed, but okay, I see you, Ciate. Oh, yeah. Wow, this was a really awesome Ipsy Plus, I have to say. Give me a minute, because I need to go on my computer, and I'm going to find out the retail value of everything and let you guys know that information. So I'll be back. Okay, so the Ciate highlighter was $29. The Botox hair thing was $33. The primer retails for $18. The moisturizer retails for $116. And the Tarte Shadow Stick retails for $25. So the total retail value is $221, which is awesome. I don't know why this moisturizer is so much. I briefly read it and I saw something like that she's a renowned nutritionist. I'm not sure what like being a nutritionist and having a skincare company have to do with each other, but I mean I know nutrition and how your skin will kind of go together, but apparently it's worth $116. So yeah, but despite what it retails for, I think this was an awesome Ipsy Plus. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. And if you have tried this moisturizer before, tell me if you think it's worth $116. Alright guys, I will see you in my next video.